Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls. Hey, welcome to my Let's Make a Crazy Quilt series. Today we're going to tackle something that's kind of totally foreign to me. We're going to do some curved pieces. Ooh, look at my finger. Look at my finger curving in the video. Yes. So, I have to be truthful with you. I don't generally use curved pieces. I just don't. But somebody asked about it, so I thought, well, there has to be some ways to do it, right? So, you can see I have a curved piece here, and I'm going to put it here. I think a couple of ways you could handle this is, number one, okay, turn it under and very carefully do the hidden, like a blind hem stitch, which I'm not good at. But you're going to embellish over the top, so of course you could match your thread. I just don't have any pink sewing thread handy. Yes, match your thread. I think that would be better. Or you could leave that edge raw and just embellish right on top of it. I'm going to finish sewing this, and then we'll turn it and we'll do a raw edge one. Oh, this is going to be fun. Okay, can you see? I turned to that edge under and hand stitched it down. So I cut another piece of fabric. Let's curve it like this. Please don't yell at me. I just don't use curves. Oh, where should we put it? Okay. This time I am not going to turn under. I am just going to do, I think, a blanket stitch. If I can remember how to start it. This would work on quilts you are not going to use on the bed. Unless you don't mind. Actually, it's kind of turning itself under. I don't like that. Okay, regroup. You can always regroup. Ain't nothing but a thing. Maybe I should pin. I should do a different stitch. Yes. I can't reach my camera to turn it off. Okay. Okay. Put it like that. Let me grab a pin. The last place I saw a pin was over here. This is a big old honkin' pin. Hey, it works. I'll tell you what, you need to be like sitting down to do this. Taiwan knot in the oh my gosh, if you can't laugh at yourself, who can you laugh at? Okay. And my nose is running. TMI. I'm not doing a blanket stitch, I'm doing a cretin stitch. This works if you don't mind a little fraying on the raw edges. If you don't like the fraying, you're going to have to turn it under. But FYI, Crazy Rebecca will not be using curves in her crazy quilts unless they are scalloped edges of lace or something. This will give you, I think, a more organic, old-fashioned look. I just like the angles of the flip and sew. But if it's your quilt, do it the way you want. That's what I'm saying. Okay, I'm going to stop here because I'm going to put one more piece right there. One more round piece cut out of what? Or do I have? See, this is what I'm talking about. Okay. So let me do this on the machine and let's see how it turns out. Okay, so maybe you'd want to use a matching thread, but you can also machine sew a curve down. So there are some ways to do it. This, of course, I didn't think about this black being under it. Okay, in the end, it doesn't really matter. But in the end, it doesn't really matter. Clear as mud, right? please let me know how you do your curved piecing. Please, in the comments. I need to know other ways to do this. Not that I'm going to do it, but other people want to do it. So, yeah. All right, people. What episode is this? Episode 7? Maybe? Is it 7? I think it is. Oh dear. I'm exhausted.